Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon Shop located in Cedar Park. Behind me I have a 2016 Toyota Prius. This roof has hundreds of dents in it and they were assured that it needed a new panel, this panel to be cut off and a new panel to be put on and have the entire thing repainted. I can assure you we can save this panel and keep it original. We do a process called Paintless dent repair and it's absolutely perfect for this kind of damage. We're no stranger to severe hailstorms. So if you have damage and if you've been waiting to have your vehicle repaired, come on by the Recon Shop located in Cedar Park, or you can give us a call at 512-290-HAIL, or look us up online at www.thereconshop.com. Now, in order to repair this damage, each dent will have to be removed one at a time using the paintless dent repair method. Not all vehicles are a candidate for paintless dent repair. But in this case, we were able to preserve the original OEM structure of this vehicle instead of having this roof cut off and replaced with a new one. Using the paintless dent repair method, we were able to preserve the far superior factory paint job, maintaining the highest value of this vehicle. Well, as you can see, damage like this comes out fantastic using paintless dent repair. We're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. You can give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. Look us up online at www.thereconshop.com. If you've been waiting to have your vehicle repaired since the hailstorm last year, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.